So if you're going to work under the engine bay, you need to actually isolate the main traction battery. So under your mat here, so this is on the driver's side, under your mat here, remove that. So that's held in by 4 clips. As you can see, one of my clips is still left in place. You've got some twist knobs here, so just get those straight. That allows you to open the plate. So that allows you then to get onto the battery isolator. So to isolate the battery, push that tab in, pull that clip up like that, and that allows you to remove the isolator plug. But even after removing the isolator plug, there still might be some charge in the system, so you have to wait 45 minutes. But it is best to actually test with a multimeter before you actually get on and work on any of the electrics underneath the car. So I've removed that